students, today we will discuss third poem, A Tiger in the Zoo. This poem has been composed by Leslie Norris. Here is a brief description about poet. He was a famous Welsh poet and short story writer. He was born in 1921 in Wales. He died in 2006. He shot to fame with his first publication, Finding Gold. His first publication is Finding Gold. His works won various awards. Now let's start poem. A Tiger in the Zoo. Title suggests that the behavior of the tiger when it is locked in the zoo. There is a beautiful comparison between the activities of the tiger in the zoo and the activities of the tiger which lives in natural surroundings. सपोज करो यदि ह्यूमन बींग्स को बार के पीछे रखा जाता है, अगर इसे प्रिजन में डाल दिया जाता है, व्हाट विल बी द फीलिंग ऑफ अ पर्सन? क्या फीलिंग होगी इस पर्सन की? इट्स नेचुरल. ही विल बी सैड इन द सेम वे कि दे डिड नॉट वांट टू लिव इन द केज. वो भी केज में नहीं रहना चाहते हैं. एनिमल्स ऑल्सो वांट फ्रीडम. वे भी फ्री एनवायरमेंट में रहना चाहते हैं. थ्रू दिस पोएम द पोएट वांट्स टू टेल अस द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ फ्रीडम. So in this poem we will discover what is the activity of the tiger which is locked behind bars and what will be the activity of the tiger when it lives in natural surroundings, natural environments. Now let's start poem. First stanza. He stalks in his vivid stripes the few steps of his cage on pads of velvet quiet. In his quiet rage, stalks, moves, walks. Vivid stripes. Vivid, very bright, clearly visible. Stripe means long lines on the body of the tiger. Pads, feet. Velvet, soft, quiet, silent and raise anger. In the opening stanza, the poet is telling us about the activity of the tiger when it is locked behind the bar. He here refers to the tiger. Tiger is not in his natural habitat. He is bound in the cage. What activity tiger is doing in the cage? Yes, poet is telling us he stalks in his vivid stripes the few steps of his cage. It means he moves and takes few steps. It means he walks in the limited space because he is locked in a cage. There are stripes on his body that are very bright and clearly visible. Clearly visible. It moves quietly and softly with his soft feet. With his soft feet. Here is the comparison. Comparison किया गया है soft velvet feet को, soft feet को velvet के साथ compare किया गया है. He moves quietly and softly with his soft feet, so they do not create sound. The feet of the tiger don't create sound. He is full of rage. It means tiger here, tiger गुस्से में है, having been captured because he has lost the freedom of roaming in the jungle. जंगल में जो अपनी घूमने की फ्रीडम थी वो उसकी चली गई है. But tiger is not able to express his anger loudly. So tiger अपना anger show नहीं कर सकता है. He does not roar and cry but remains silent in anger. कि टाइगर गुस्से में है but शांत है. Why is the tiger in silent mood? कि he has lost the freedom of roaming in the jungle. Clear this stanza? In next two stanzas, the poet is telling us about the behavior of the tiger when he lives in his natural habitat. कि जब वो नेचुरल हैबिटेट में होगा तब उसका बिहेवियर कैसा होगा, उसकी एक्टिविटीज कैसी होगी. He should be lurking in shadow, sliding through long grass, near the water hole where plump deer pass. Lurking means waiting secretly, hiding. Sliding means moving. Water hole means a river where animals come to drink. Plump deer means young deer, fat deer, mota taja deer. Looking at the imprisoned tiger, the poet is filled with pity. And he says that the poor tiger should have been in his natural habitat. कि उसे अपने नेचुरल हैबिटेट में होना चाहिए। अगर वो फॉरेस्ट में होता है, अपने नेचुरल हैबिटेट में होता है, तो वो क्या एक्टिविटीज करता है? ही शुड बी लर्किंग इन शेडो। इट मीन्स द टाइगर वुड बी लाइंग हिडन इन द शेडो, शेडो में ऑफ ट्रीज, ट्रीज की शेडो में हिडन छुपा हुआ होगा। वाई? इन ऑर्डर टू अटैक ऑन इट्स प्रे, अपने शिकार पर अटैक करने के लिए। ही वुड बी मूविंग स्लोली थ्रू द लॉन्ग ग्रास के थ्रू स्लोली मूव करेगा। ही वुड बी सिटिंग नियर द वाटर होल के नजदीक बैठा होगा। एंड वेटिंग फॉर सम प्लम्प डियर वेयर टू पास दैट वे, कि कोई डियर, कोई प्लम्प डियर, मोटा ताजा डियर जो है वो आए और वो उसका शिकार कर सके। क्लियर दिस स्ट्रेंजर? He should be snarling around houses at the jungle's edge, baring his white fangs, his claws, terrorizing the village. Snarling. Snarling means growling, sound which is produced by the tiger. Jungle's edge, outer area of the jungle. Fangs. Fangs means long sharp teeth. Baring means showing, dikhana. Terrorizing means creating terror. The poet proceeds further, giving another suggestion that if the tiger failed to find any prey in his natural habitat, he would be growling at the edge of the jungle near some villages. यदि उसे अपना शिकार नहीं मिलता है तो वो क्या करेगा? चिल्लाएगा, गुर्राएगा जंगल के किनारों पर। Baring his white fangs, his claws, terrorizing the village. आगे there he would be showing his, he should be showing his white long sharp teeth and claws while moving here and there. जब इधर उधर जाएगा अपने टीथ को शो करेगा। why? क्यों टीथ को शो करेगा? in this way he would become a cause of terror for the village. लोगों को डराने के लिए इस तरह से he would become a cause of terror for the villagers के लिए क्या बन जाएगा? एक टेरर का कारण बन जाएगा, टेरर करेगा, उन्हें डराएगा। द पोएट हियर गिव्स अ हिंट, एक हिंट भी हमें देता है कि वी डिस्ट्रॉय द नेचुरल हैबिटेट ऑफ द टाइगर, दे विल बी फोर्स्ड, कि उन्हें मजबूर हो जाएंगे टाउन एंड विलेजेस में आने के लिए टू फाइंड देयर फूड। क्लियर दिस स्टेंजा? नेक्स्ट, बट ही इज लॉक्ड इन अ कंक्रीट सेल, हिज स्ट्रेंथ बिहाइंड बार्स, stalking the length of his cage, ignoring visitors. Concrete. Concrete means made of cement, soil. Cell means room, small room. Stalking means walking slowly. Ignoring means not paying attention. In this stanza, the poet expresses his deep sympathy एट द प्लाइट ऑफ द टाइगर। टाइगर की दुर्दशा पर अपनी सिंपैथी जो है वो दिखाता है यहाँ पर पोएट कि बट ही हैज लॉक्ड इन अ कंक्रीट सेल, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली द टाइगर इज नॉट लेफ्ट फ्री इन द जंगल, उसे जंगल में नहीं छोड़ा गया फ्री। इन स्पाइट ऑफ ऑल हिज स्ट्रेंथ, इतनी शक्ति के बावजूद भी ही हैज लॉक्ड इन अ केज दैट इज मेड ऑफ सीमेंट, सैंड, स्टोन। His strength behind bars. It means he is a strong animal. Tiger is a strong animal. After that, he has been put behind the bars. उसे behind bar के पीछे डाल दिया गया है। Stalking the length of his cage, ignoring visitor. He moves along the length of the cage slowly and quietly. The tiger shows, ignoring visitor means the tiger shows no interest in looking at the visitors when they keep coming and going to see him. Here the tiger feels helpless, uneasy, angry, uncomfortable. Why? Because he cannot show his strength to frighten people. Thank you.